What HVAC issues occur after severe storms? Severe storms can cause power surges, water damage, clogged outdoor units, refrigerant leaks, and unsafe heating or cooling equipment. After a storm, the outdoor unit may be packed with leaves, mud, branches, or standing water, which blocks airflow and makes the system work too hard. Lightning can damage circuit boards, capacitors, wiring, and thermostats, even when the equipment looks normal from the outside. Floodwater is especially dangerous because it can ruin electrical parts and leave behind dirt or bacteria that make the system unsafe to operate. Strong winds can bend the outdoor coil fins or damage the fan, while flying debris may crack refrigerant lines. If refrigerant escapes, the system may blow warm air, freeze up, or run continuously. Water can also enter ductwork, insulation, or the furnace area, causing mold growth and corrosion. Before restarting the system, turn off power if you smell burning, see sparks, notice flooding, or hear unusual noises, and have a qualified technician inspect it. Never wash electrical components or climb onto a roof to reach storm equipment. A common mistake is turning the system on repeatedly after a power surge, which can cause more damage, so switch it off and have the electrical supply checked. Another mistake is removing debris while the outdoor fan could start unexpectedly, so shut off the correct disconnect and use a professional if you are unsure. People also sometimes assume a system is safe because it still runs, but hidden water or damaged wiring can create shock and fire risks, so schedule an inspection after flooding, lightning, or major wind damage. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.